So I'm here at WET, and I promised you that I would show you some of the technologies that are available if your septic system is starting to fail. So I'm here with the guys from Aero-Stream.
Hi, my name is Dave. I work for Aero-Stream. We've been doing wastewater treatment for about 20 years. Our primary product is a remediation device that can be installed into an existing septic system, and the main purpose is to help reverse the growth of biomat in the drain field and bring the system back to life. This is a diffuser assembly that can be lowered down into the septic tank, as shown here. The air line can be trenched out coming out of the tank and connects back to the pump that's plugged outside. When you plug it in, it's generating controlled aeration that comes out of the diffuser and treats the wastewater in the septic tank, sending out clean aerobic effluent to the field that can open up the drainage area and again bring the system back to life.
Dave, how long does it take to work?
We typically like to start seeing improvement within a couple, 3 months. So.
Hey guys, so I'm back at the hotel room, but I figured I needed to add some comments to this. So I've posted 2 different systems that are available for rehabbing failing septic systems. This video is for Aero-Stream, which is more of a DIY system. And if that's what you're looking for, go to the link in my bio, you can purchase one and install it yourself. If you're looking for something that's professionally installed, go check out the other video.